Here's how to write JJK as an artist. Please subscribe for more anime drawings and writings. Now highlighting. Blah 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 blah. Don't mind Higuruma drawing, by the way. Check out my drawings on my channel, Dawang. Now color it black. For adding effects, add a yellow boundary around the writing. I am going to show the whole drawing of Higuruma, different scenes in JJK. Are you excited? Meow 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 meow. Enjoy the final result.